Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome back to IIT Chemistry online class, revision class of first lesson, symbols and formulae. First, we will discuss about atoms. Atoms make up everything that we see on Earth. Atoms are the smallest components of matter. Representative an atom. Blue represents electrons, red protons, yellow neutrons. Nucleus made up from protons and neutrons. Protons have a positive charge and neutrons have no charge. Electrons have a negatively charged particles. Electrons are gathering space is called electron orbitals. Electrons have a negative charged and are extremely light. Electrons have negative particles are extremely light compared to the nucleus. So what is an element? Element is made up of from atoms. For example, copper is an element or atom. First, copper is an atom because copper atom inside particles are protons, neutrons and electrons. And next, copper is an element because of these all copper atoms combined together, copper element will be formed. After that, copper is an element. First, copper is an atom. After combination of all atoms, that is the copper element. Atomic number and mass number. When you look at the periodic table, you will see that each element has its own box, and within that box you will find two numbers, the atomic number or proton number and the mass number. But what do these numbers means? The atomic number has the symbol capital Z. This number tells you how many protons are in one atom of an element. The number is always the same for all atoms of a particular element. Atoms of different elements have different atomic numbers, meaning they have different numbers of protons. For example, an atom of hydrogen has an atomic number of 1 because it has one proton, but an atom of oxygen has an atomic number of 8 because it has 8 protons. The next number, we look at this mass number. The mass number has the symbol capital A. This mass number tells you how many protons and neutrons are in one atom of element. We need to remember that protons and neutrons each have a relative mass of 1 and that electrons are so small that their mass does not need to consider in the mass number of an atom. So, if we know the mass number of an element and we know that atomic number, we can calculate the number of neutrons in an atom of a particular element. So, the mass number equal the atomic number plus number of neutrons. Mass number equal protons plus neutrons. So, if you take oxygen, oxygen has a mass number 16 and atomic mass 8. How many neutrons does it have? Remember, mass number equal protons plus neutrons. We can rearrange this, show that neutrons equal mass number minus atomic number. 16 minus 8, that equal 8. Oxygen therefore has 8 neutrons. Let us take another example. Lithium has a mass number of 7 and atomic mass 3. How many neutrons does it have? Mass number equal protons plus neutrons. We can rearrange this. Neutrons equal mass number minus atomic number. 7 minus 3 equal to protons? 4. So the atomic number is number of protons in an atom and the mass number is number of protons and neutrons in an atom. Kindly open your chemistry IIT book, page number 81. Related to practice sheet 1. First point, the method of naming the substance is called chemical nomenclature. The representation of a substance with the help of a symbol is called chemical notation. The symbol represents short form of an element. J. Berzelius suggested a method of representing elements using English capital letters. J. Berzelius suggested that capital letter or English capital letter or first letter representing element, that is the symbol of element. A symbol is a short form representation of an element. Symbol of a chemical element denotes one atom of that element. The number of protons in the nucleus of atom is called atomic number. Now only we are discussed that the protons and neutrons are present in a small central region within the atom is called the nucleus. The sum of the protons, neutrons present in a small region, that is called the nucleus. The mass number of an element gives the sum of the number of protons and neutrons in an atom. The mass number means sum of the protons and neutrons. The difference between mass number and atomic number gives the number of neutrons in atom of element. The difference between the mass number and atomic number gives the neutron numbers. The symbol of an element is not used for any other element. Only one symbol recognized one element. For some elements, the first letter of the name of the element is taken as symbol. Example, hydrogen capital H, carbon capital C. For some elements, the first letter and second prominent letter of the name of the element are taken as the symbol. Example, calcium Ca, magnesium Mg. For some elements, the symbols are taken from their Latin names. Example, natrium Na, kalium K. Natrium means sodium. Sodium, Latin name is natrium. Symbol is Na. Kalium means potassium. Potassium, Latin name is kalium. Symbol is capital K. Page number 82. Practice sheet 1. Conceptual understanding questions. That means multiple choice. The scientist who suggested a method of representing elements using the English letter is Lavoisier, J. Berzelius, Robert Boyle, Rutherford. Short form representation of an element known as symbol, compound, molecule, atom. The combining capacity of an element is called atom, molecule, compound, valency. In our previous class we have discussed small particles are combined one atom. Atoms are combination, we find out the molecule. Molecules are combined, that is the element. Elements combination, that is called the compound. The number of protons present in the nucleus of atom is called atomic number, mass number, nucleus number, all of these. The name of the ion of a variable valency element with higher valency in compound ends with in, as, ik, en. The Latin name of sodium is stannum, aurum, nitrium, cuprum. The element curium was invented by Alfred Nobel, Mendeleev, Madame Curie, Albert Einstein. Correct answer type. The valency of nitrogen is. Valency means the combining capacity of the any molecule, that is the valency. Here the valency of nitrogen is 3. The atomicity of an element tells about. Atomicity means how many electrons or how many atoms consisting in a molecule is called the atomicity. The atomicity of an element tells about number of atoms in one molecule. The mass number of oxygen is the mass number, atomic number and mass number. Here the mass number of oxygen is 16. Of the following element exhibits diatomicity: sodium, magnesium, phosphorus and chlorine. Chlorine atomic number is 17, that is having the diatomicity. The number of protons and neutrons in atom is called. Here the number of protons and neutrons, the sum of protons and neutrons is called the mass number. The name of the ion of a variable valency element with lower valency in a compound ends with as, ferrous, like that. The symbolic representation of magnesium is magnesium symbol is Mg. Why? Because here capital M, uppercase is the capital M, then lowercase g. Multi-correct answer type questions. Which of the following element exhibit monoatomicity? Calcium, copper, mercury. Monoatomicity means one atom in the molecule is called the monoatomicity. Which of the following metals exhibit variable valency? Silver, iron, these are the variable valencies. Which of the following elements named as a country? Ruthenium, berkelium. These are the element name occupied by the country name. Which of the following elements are name of the scientist? Mendeleev, nobelium, Einsteinium. Then type. Statement 1. Hydrogen, oxygen, carbon and sodium are elements. Statement 2. Elements cannot be split up into two or more simple substances. Listen here. Element means which are cannot be broken into further simplest form in a chemical reaction. That is called the element. Then here hydrogen, oxygen, carbon and sodium are the elements. Statement 1 is correct. Then statement 2 is incorrect. Comprehension type. A symbol represents the short form of an element. The scientist J.J. Berzelius suggested a method of representing element using the English letters. A symbol represents a specific element and one atom of an element. The symbolic representation of mercury is Hg. The symbol He stands for helium. Identify the correct symbol for the following elements: chlorine Cl, calcium Ca, beryllium B, Ca, Cl, B. This is the correct answer. Match the following. Column 1. chlorine, silicon, sodium, argon. Then atomic number of elements 18, 11, 17, 14, 16. We know that sodium having the 11 atomic number. Sodium 11. Next chlorine 17 atomic number. Chlorine 17. Silicon 14. Silicon 14. Argon is the inert gas, that atomic number is the 18. I hope all are understand today's topics. Read and write properly. Practice well. Thank you and God bless you all.